time on it.
All right, so we're back out here doing some more yard drain jettings today. I got Taylor with me. Today we're looking at a prime example of why you should get your yard drains hydrojetted every once in a while. And this is our example right here. This is the original piping for the house. This yard drain's been cleaned before with a cable or snake machine. What we have here is all the grit that comes off of your shingles, combined with a bunch of nails that have fallen down and been washed into the underground line. And we have some roots here from all those, that tree up there. So what happens is this stuff gets down in the line, and then you run a cable or a snake machine through it. It actually just kind of spreads that stuff more evenly through the line, versus when we hydrojet, we actually pull all of that debris physically out of the line. We're able to get all these nails up out of the road, and everything washes down toward the storm drain right there, which that one's got a bunch of debris around it. So what we're gonna actually do is go over there and clean that up a little bit. See, we got all this water building up here. Clean the debris around the storm drain off. All that water starts taking off into the city storm sewer.